Small kitchens can feel cramped, especially in tiny apartments where every inch counts. That's why smart, space-saving tools can make a big difference. In this video, I've listed the best Amazon kitchen gadgets that help you cook, prep, and store more efficiently without cluttering up your counters. These items are practical, compact, and easy to use. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Revolution R180. With patented Instagiello 2.0 technology delivering fast, edge-to-edge toasting, moisture-locked crispness, and consistent results, the appliance revolutionizes breakfast. Included toast-high press accessory transforms it into a mini panini maker, no oil needed. Intuitive 3-tap interface offers bread type, shade, and fresh, frozen, reheat settings. Pre-programmed bread modes, crumb tray reminder, and Wi-Fi connectivity for weather, time display, and firmware updates elevate daily toasting ease. The Ware Tea Maker. Featuring a removable high-grade 1810 stainless steel mesh infuser designed for loose or blooming teas, the kettle-like maker heats directly on gas, electric, microwave, or even sun for cold brew. With a 1,000 milliliters optimized thicker glass body that resists thermal shock, this vessel is dishwasher safe on top rack or hand cleaned. Elegant, durable, and ideal for daily tea rituals. Lionby Wood Appliance Slider. Designed with a durable 1-inch thick wood board, the slider tray supports coffee makers, air fryers, or stand mixers while preventing countertop scratches. The hygienic surface wipes clean easily and adds aesthetic warmth. Available in 5 tailored sizes, from mini grinders to larger pots. It's also perfect for serving at buffets or as a stylish centerpiece, enhancing both utility and countertop organization. FFQ Spoon Holder. Featuring a heavy enough countertop rest that stays firmly in place, it holds spoons or small tools and simplifies egg cracking with minimal effort. With smooth contours and ample surface area, the rest prevents messy countertops and keeps cooking utensils in tidy order for all your daily meal preparations. No fuss, just clean, ergonomic support wherever needed. Chef and Cob Corn Stripper. Encased sharp stainless steel blades stay safely inside, so it's kid-friendly while still being effective. Compact enough for kitchen drawers or picnic baskets, the lightweight design stores neatly. With easy top-rack dishwasher cleaning, it ensures quick cleanup. Perfect for seasonal or frozen ears, the gadget delivers abundant kernels swiftly, making family cooking or BBQs more fun and efficient without sacrificing safety or convenience. SW Avocado Saver. Crafted with an ABS matte finish shell and flexible food-grade silicone film, the Saver adapts to avocado, citrus, tomatoes, onion halves, grapes, or cheese. Twist-on sealing ensures long-term airtightness. The vibrant color block design enhances fridge aesthetics, while seals prevent spoilage and odors. Multipurpose lids can cover cups or bowls individually, offering playful practicality for food storage. Uinkson Lid Seal Remover. Featuring sharp hardened metal teeth, it firmly grips water bottles, soda, liquor, mason jar lids, or tumblers, making it ideal for arthritis users. Compact yet versatile, magnets allow hanging near the refrigerator or fitting into pockets for portability. Ergonomic build facilitates easy prying or twisting open without strain, combining sleek storage and functional convenience in one small tool. Perico Refrigerator Deodorizer. Made of SUS 304 stainless steel for durability and hygiene, the puck-shaped deodorizer quietly freshens refrigerators and small enclosed spaces like drawers or gym bags without chemicals or fragrance. With zero power usage or saturation concerns, its decade-long life reduces waste. Compared to baking soda or charcoal alternatives, its effective odor elimination maintains fresh food longer with minimal maintenance or replacements. Space-Aid Bamboo Spice Drawer. Paired with 24 glass jars with airtight bamboo lids and sift or pour tops, the set accommodates seasoning needs while preserving freshness. A collection of 378 pre-printed labels, plus plenty of blank ones, makes inventory simple. Crafted from smooth, wipe-clean bamboo, The organizer doubles as a display or serving accessory, offering both visual flair and streamlined functionality in kitchen pantries or drawers. OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper. Paired with a soft, non-slip handle to reduce wrist strain during repetitive motions, the tool also cleverly incorporates a built-in potato wire to remove blemishes instantly. A protective removable cover keeps the blade safe during storage. Ergonomic and easy to clean, this scraper elevates prep work into a smoother, more precise experience, ideal for frequent produce preparation and maintaining kitchen hygiene. Silicone Lemon Squeezer. With its shell-shaped form, this product offers playful flair while delivering maximum juice and seed filtration. Guests will smile as you press lemons cleanly, storing any unused half neatly inside. Crafted from food-safe, BPA-free silicone that flexes without slipping and withstands dishwasher cycles, it's durable and hygienic. Designed to delight your kitchen without sacrificing functionality. Starfrit Rot Auto Express Electric Peeler. Built-in storage and non-slip base, requires cleaning with a damp sudsy cloth, removable cutter head, battery-powered operation. Ideal for effortless peeling sessions, this product spins vegetables or fruit automatically while resting securely on your countertop. With safe storage for the detachable head and compact built-in space for accessories, it eliminates clutter. No immersion in water needed, simply wipe it clean and detach parts for easy maintenance. Practical, neat, and user-friendly. Gusto Nostro Countertop Wine Rack. Show off your taste, irresistible elegance. Can hold 14 bottles, rust-resistant powder coating, constructed to last. Elegant gold finish meets robust iron construction in a geometrically modern countertop accessory that holds 11 standard bottles plus 3 oversized. Perfect as stylish decor or a cabinet insert, this product adds flair while preventing wobbling or tilting. At 17.2 by 11.6 by 5.5 inches, it offers stability and sophistication, and makes an eye-catching gift or display piece for wine lovers. Butail Silicone Sponge. Silicone sponge, durable and long-lasting, hygienic and odor-free, non-scratch, multi-purpose, easy to store and quick to dry. Gentle yet effective, this product cleans dishes, non-stick cookware and kitchen surfaces without scratching while resisting mildew or odor buildup. Its suction cup handle lets it cling to smooth tiles, glass or marble for quick drying and easy reach. Made of BPA-free food-grade silicone in one-piece injection molding, it won't fall apart. Reusable, eco-friendly, and practical for all cleaning tasks. OUTXC Silicone Air Fryer Liner. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, food-grade silicone, practical design, easy to use. Designed to fit 3, 5 QD air fryers, this product protects the basket from sticky residue and grease while improving heat circulation. Handles on both sides make lifting out hot food safe and convenient. Built from odorless, non-stick, BPA-free silicone rated up to 240 degrees Celsius, it's reusable and eco-conscious. Dishwasher-safe cleanup saves time and ensures healthier air-fried meals with less mess. Large macrame fruit hammock. Save space. Tested by craftsmen for weaving and storage, versatile hanging fruit basket, soft cotton rope air circulation. Crafted with fine woven spacing, this product holds abundant produce like apples, bananas or potatoes without bruising while freeing up counter real estate. Ideal for tight kitchens in RVs, campers or small homes, it suspends fruit gently and promotes airflow to extend freshness. Durable hand-woven cotton rope ensures long life, and its decorative design doubles as stylish storage for other household items too. Jofuyu Herb Scissors. 5-blade kitchen scissors, ergonomic non-slip handle, easy to clean and store, effortless herb cutting. Equipped with 5 sharp stainless steel blades riveted for stability, this product makes chopping herbs uniform and fast. A TPR rubberized grip ensures comfort and control, while a cleaning brush and protective cone cover allow quick removal of leaf residue. Compact and safe, it's ideal for chopping basil, parsley, mint, and more with precision. A handy tool for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. Rebel Green Fruit and Veggie Clean. Effective fruit and vegetable clean wash, leaves no aftertaste, natural ingredients, Refillable soak and rinse system. With citrus-based plant-derived purity, this product gently removes wax, pesticides, and surface particles from berries, greens, or apples without lingering flavor. Its kosher and preservative-free formula rinses completely clean, preserving natural taste. Refillable bottle or concentrate sets make sustainable use easy, while the soak and rinse method ensures thorough cleansing in just 30 seconds. Safe, reliable, and refreshing for everyday produce. Winrock Food Storage Bags. Silicone, BPA, PVC, lead, latex, phthalates-free, 3 reusable sizes, Ziploc seal, stands upright, dishwasher, microwave, freezer, boiling safe. Flexible yet sturdy, this product accommodates liquids, soups, or leftovers without lids, sealing tightly and allowing excess air removal. It folds flat when in use to save space and stands upright when filled. Made entirely of pure silicone, it's heat-tolerant and chemical-safe. Use it in the fridge, freezer, or microwave, and simply toss it in the dishwasher or boil it to clean. Sustainable and efficient for kitchen storage. OXO Pasta Scoop Strainer. Easier way to scoop and strain long, short, or delicate pasta. Long handle for one-handed use, large capacity scoop, ergonomic handle, dishwasher safe. Engineered for effortless draining of pasta, vegetables, or poached eggs, this product features a generously sized scoop with slots that let water drain quickly while capturing food. The elongated handle offers comfort and control. Made with user-friendly ergonomics and dishwasher compatibility, it simplifies cooking and plating, reducing drips and spills while keeping hands safe and dry. Small space? No problem. These 20 clever Amazon kitchen gadgets prove that even the tiniest apartments can be both functional and stylish. From space-saving tools to smart storage hacks, each item is designed to help you cook, clean, and organize with ease, no matter the size of your kitchen. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices on all the products mentioned. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow small space dwellers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss our latest tips, tricks, and reviews.